Reason why we developed the M-Block software to allow the programming of Arduino and robotics based on Scratch 2.0. It does not only inherit all the characteristics of Scratch, but also increases many script modules. Is a mainboard special design for education. On the basis of Arduino open source system, M-Core integrated motor drivers, multiple sensors, and 4 extra ports for more electronic modules. Extra ports and modules are distinguished by color, very convenient for children. With M-Core, children can turn their fascinating imagination into all kinds of interesting works, like bubble blow machine, racing game, platform games, and more. In order to show the amazing robotic world to students, we developed a cute, economical robot for M-Core called M-Bot. With an aluminum alloy chassis, M-Bot and the graphical programming software M-Block language. The aluminum alloy chassis of M-Bot is compatible with Lego and MakeBlock parts. The electronics are based on the Arduino open source platform. Balloon battle, soccer game. The only limitation is your imagination. That's the reason why we developed